Hello, welcome to Anya's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a carrot and walnut cake. The ingredients are a carrot, some margarine, self-raising baking flour, sugar, walnuts, cinnamon, egg and orange juice. So first I'm gonna clean and grate the carrots. So now I'm gonna chop 50 grams of walnuts. So now I'm gonna mix the margarine and the sugar. So now the sugar and margarine have mixed. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And the eggs, one by one. I'm gonna put the nuts in here and the carrot. 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Now I'm gonna add the self-raising baking flour. So this is the cake mix and I'm gonna put it in a cake form. So here I have a cake pan and I'm gonna spray it with some baking spray. I'm gonna add the cake mix into the form. So I filled the cake pan and now this is going to go in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. So the cake has been in the oven for 50 minutes. I'm gonna let it cool for a bit and I'm gonna put it on the cooling roster. So I put it from the cooling roster onto a cutting board. So this is the end result.